Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to keep video quality on Google Drive. When it comes to storing our precious videos, whether they're cherished family memories or important professional projects, keeping the original quality intact is essential. This video will guide you through the steps to ensure your video files remain as vibrant and detailed as the moment you captured them. Let's dive in and explore how you can maintain the highest quality for your videos when using Google Drive. First off, let's get started by opening a web browser on your computer or device. Once you have it open, navigate to Google. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small grid icon. This is the Google Apps icon, your quick access point to all the various services Google provides. Give that icon a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a selection of Google tools and services. In this list of icons, you should find one labeled Photos. Click on it to open Google Photos. Google Photos is a robust platform that allows you to store, organize, and manage your photos and videos conveniently. This is where we will focus our efforts to ensure the quality of your videos is preserved. Now that you're in Google Photos, direct your attention once again to the top right corner. Here, you'll find a settings icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the settings menu. The settings menu in Google Photos acts as a control center for managing how your media is handled and stored. As you explore the settings, you will encounter a crucial option labeled Original Quality. If you are using Google Photos to back up your videos, selecting this option is key. By choosing Original Quality, your videos will be stored in their full resolution and clarity, exactly as you originally recorded them. This means your storage might fill up more quickly because these files are larger, but it guarantees that your videos remain unchanged, retaining every detail for the best viewing experience. It's possible you may have seen or even chosen the Storage Saver option in the past. While this setting can help conserve space by compressing your files, it does so at the cost of reducing video quality. If your goal is to maintain the utmost quality, it's important to avoid selecting Storage Saver. If you notice that Storage Saver is currently selected, don't worry. It's easy to switch back to Original Quality. Simply navigate back to this option in the settings and ensure Original Quality is checked. This change will immediately start storing your videos in their full, uncompressed form, preserving all those pixel-perfect details. One more critical tip: if you're downloading videos from Google Photos to your device, make sure Original Quality is selected. This ensures that the file you receive is the original and unaltered video, without any loss in quality during the transfer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your videos are securely stored on Google Drive without any compromise in their quality. This way, you can continue to enjoy vivid, clear video content every time you access them. That's it for this tutorial on how to keep video quality on Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.